This is Artist Annette with Cooking Couture Atlanta. This is a car confession. Hey, Parker. Parker, say hey. Hey, look at my sweet Stinky. Yes, she's participating. Listen, this is a quick car confession. It's St. Patrick's Day. Yeah, I got on green though at the bottom. See, it's a joke. So anybody that knows what Gas House is knows that it's my greens. Yay! I'm so smart and so funny. I love a pun and a little dry humor. Listen, it's St. Patrick's Day, and the meal for today is corned beef and cabbage. Now, I like to slice up some Irish potatoes to put in my cabbage as well. That's my new thing. It's just been the bomb when I've been putting potatoes in my greens, like cutting them up, slicing them up. It makes it feel meaty and heartier, and because I'm trying to really phase meat out of my life, but I don't want to miss the textures and stuff. So I'm loving a little potatoes in my greens. But corned beef in the crock pot. It's early. Put it in the crock pot, the slow cooker. Let it cook for about 4 to 6 hours. It comes with a seasoning package already in the corned beef, which is what makes it all that. But listen, you need to put, this lady from Ireland gave me the secret a long time ago. She told me to get a dark ale, like a beer, a dark ale to pour over it. And it just does something amazing to it. Now, my mom, she loves corned beef, and so I was raised with that experience in my life. Corned beef sandwiches, corned beef hash, corned beef and cabbage. And so what mom did was poured a Pepsi or a Coke over the corned beef. It does give it a little sweetness, but it's something about that carbonation. It does something, and it caramelizes it as well. It makes it really delicious. I'm telling you, if you don't have a beer to pour the ale over it, pour you a Coke or a Pepsi over it. Listen, one time I was making corned beef and I forgot, and I was like, I need something. I didn't have a Coke or a Pepsi. I didn't have a beer. But you know what I had? I had an energy drink. I had this big Monster energy drink. Baby, I poured that over my corned beef and it was fire. It was so fire. The next time I wanted to buy a Monster instead of a Coke or a beer. The beer is the best. It gives it the most authentic flavor. But baby, I'm telling you, that Monster drink that I put over there was bomb, man. It was so cool. It turned out really good. So the corned beef already has a seasoning packet in it, but I do add a little extra fresh ground pepper as well as garlic, because that's my thing. Garlic, and this traffic out here crazy today. I'm just trying to get a plug in for the corned beef, and the cabbage is fire. Do the cabbage. I do my cabbage. I smother it over this. What? Drop your, oh Lord, what you want? This ain't what you want. Alright. We about to, oh Lord, and then somebody cutting in front of me. Lord have mercy. It's bad enough the child eating snacks. I don't want her parents to see that I let her eat potato chips in the morning. Only when we running late. We going to get some hash browns. She done messed these Doritos up. Girl, there ain't nothing else in here. Oh my goodness. Anyway, get you some corned beef this morning. Girl, and then listen, you really need to have a pressure cooker, because if you have a pressure cooker, you can get it done in like 30 minutes. But I still like it to set in the juices for like an hour, because that's what makes it so fire, is the juices and the seasoning. So it comes with a seasoning packet. I add a little extra garlic powder and put some garlic cloves off in that joker in a minute. Get you a Pepsi or a beer or a Coke. And I used to prefer Pepsi to drink versus Coke. I don't drink soda anymore. It's been about 15 years since 20 years since I really drank soda. But Coke is what I prefer to cook with. I even pour that over my ribs as well. Anyway, happy St. Paddy's Day. Get your green on. Lord, the child about to die in the back. I'm trying to get to our doctor's appointments.